Did you hear that splash? I hope it's snack time. Yum yum.
Are you tired of high electricity bills? At Solartech Solutions, we provide reliable businesses giving you uninterrupted power while saving costs. Contact us today and switch to clean energy.
I need a girlfriend.
You're kidding, right?
Not at all. I need someone to take care of me. Cook, clean, do laundry, hold me down.
See, in a world full of red flags, you are the entire red carpet.
This video you just watched was created using completely free tools because most paid tools are very expensive. And since Grok went premium with their package, a lot of AI content creators have given up on their AI content because they cannot afford to pay for the expensive tool. So here is the good news. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you these completely free AI tools that you can use to generate your AI videos for free. No subscriptions, no watermark. Hi creatives, my name is Somi and welcome back to my YouTube channel AI by Som. And on this channel, I teach you everything about AI and tech. So if this is something you're interested in, then watch this video to the very end. Subscribe to me if you're not yet subscribed. Like, share, and drop me a really nice comment. Let us create.
Number one, we'll be starting off with One AI. Now, One AI does images, text to videos, and image to videos all in one. So, open up a new browser and type One AI, then hit enter. Scroll down and select this one with this exact icon. Once this is loaded, it will get you to this interface. Go ahead and click on try now. Sign up with your Gmail, of course, if it's your first time using the app. If you're using One AI on your mobile phone, do well to change your setting to desktop sites. If not, you will not get to this interface. Over here, you will see check-in. Click on check-in. Each day you check in, you get 10 credits. Now you can use these credits to generate, but even if you don't have credits, you can still generate without using credits. So now I've checked in and I've gotten my 10 credits for the day. Now over here you see three icons. The first is video, the second is image, and the third is avatar. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be selecting video. Now come to where you see describe the action and atmosphere. This is simply text to video. So I'll go ahead and paste my prompt, but if you have your image and you just want to animate it, I'll still show you how to do that. But for now, let's do text to video. Then I'll come over here and impute all my settings. Now I'll be choosing 720p. 1080p is basically for the paid version, but since we are focusing on the free version, we'll be using 720p. Then choose 16:9 ratio depending on what you are creating for. Now see where you have generate with credits. So if you have credits, you can put this toggle on to generate with credit. But if you don't have credit, then you put it off and go ahead with your video generation. So since we are generating with credit, this will still take a short time. One AI is unlimited. It gives you 10 credits daily, which helps you generate faster. But then again, you can generate without credits. But here's the downside. Generating without credits takes longer time. Yes, our video is ready and this is what we have. This is not bad at all for a free version, so we'll go ahead and download it to our device. Now to generate our image using One AI, you come over here, click on image icon, then proceed to setting and impute all your settings. 16:9, 2K resolution. Now we are generating our image without credits, so I'll go ahead and paste my prompt and hit on generate. So this is giving us 4 variations. Our image is ready and this gives me 4 image variations and the quality is pretty decent for free tools. So One AI is unlimited and free, but truthfully you have to exercise patience when creating your video, or better still, minimize it and come back to it much later. Now our image is ready, so I'll just go ahead and choose the one that I prefer. I think I'll be working with this. So the next thing to do is to click on the image you prefer, then come to where you see image to video, then paste your prompt. Once you paste your prompt, you just hit generate. As simple as that. Then you just wait for your video to be ready. Truthfully, one AI takes a lot of time to generate. My own opinion, I feel it takes a lot of time, especially when you are not generating with credit. So you can minimize it and do other things you want to do. So our video is ready. Let us play it.
Finally, our dream wedding.
I love you so much. The journey to forever begins. I love you so much. The journey to forever
Now, this is
begins.
not bad for a free tool at all. So this is everything about one AI. You can use it for your video generation and for your image generation. It is unlimited. So we go over to the next one. My absolute best, Flow AI. Flow AI for me is the most powerful platform right now for both image and video generation, and it works perfectly with phone too. So if you are primarily generating videos with just your phone, then Flow works perfect for you. To access Flow, open up a new browser and type Google Apps Flow. Then click here. Make sure it's this particular icon you are selecting. Then sign up with your Gmail, of course, if it's your first time using the app. Once you sign up, it will get you to this interface. Now, every day, Flow gives you 50 credits. But here is the trick. If you are generating a lot of videos, you can easily log out and log in with another email. Okay. You go ahead and click new project. Once this is loaded, it will get you here. Next thing, you click down here to make sure all your settings are properly configured. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be working with video. So go ahead and click on video 9:16 or 16:9. Then make sure that you select ×1 because we will not want to waste our credits. So Google Flow has different models. The first one is Omni Flash. This one gives you option of 4 seconds, 6 seconds, 8 seconds, and 10 seconds generation. And 10 seconds video will be taking 15 credits from us. The next one is Veo 3.1 Lite. Veo 3.1 Lite. This one takes 10 credits. Then next is Veo 3.1 Fast. This takes 20 credits for one video generation. Then the last but not the least, Veo 3.1 Quality. This one takes 100 credits, so we are not even going there. So for this, I'll be using Omni Flash for my video generation. So come over to where you have this plus sign, click on upload media and import your image, the image you want to animate. Then go ahead and click on add to prompt, paste your prompt and tweak anything you want to tweak. Then go ahead and click on this arrow to generate your video. Now I have to make sure that all my settings are correct, especially this ×1, so that I'll not waste my credits. Then I'll go ahead and click on this arrow to generate. Yes, our video is ready. Let us play it.
Did you hear that splash? I hope it's snack time. Yum yum.
Okay, this is exactly what we have and it's nice. So I'll go ahead and download this to my device using 720p. So for the second video, still on Flow, I'll just import my image and allow it to load. Once this is done, the same way we created the first image, I'll go ahead and paste my prompts. Make sure that my settings are correct. So for this, I'll be using Veo 3.1 Fast, and this will be taking my 20 credits. Put it in ×1 and then hit generate. So I'll just wait for Flow to do its magic. And yes, our video is ready, so let us play it.
You're really pretty. My mom understood the assignment. I like you. You are so pretty.
Don't flatter me. By the way, this place is really nice.
Now, one important thing to note is to make sure that all your characters share the same visual style before you start building your story scenes. This keeps your workflow clean and your content looking professional from start to finish. Also, know that a well structured and detailed prompt will always deliver a high quality result. So that's everything for Google Labs Flow, also known as Flow AI. Always remember to sign in with a new email if you need extra 50 credits. So the next tool we'll be reviewing is Quen AI. So I'll go ahead and open my browser and type Quen AI, QWEN AI. So I'll just scroll down here and click on this one with this particular icon. So once this is loaded, it will get you to this interface. The interface of Coin AI is super simple. So if it's your first time using the app, go ahead and sign up using your Gmail, of course. Once that is done, it will get you to this interface. Click on this plus sign, click on create video. Since you are working with video, select 16 by 9 for vertical. Then I'll go ahead and paste my prompt. So this is the first prompt we used for one AI. So I just want to compare the two videos. So I'll just paste my prompt and click on generate. So our video is loading. There is option for text to video and image to video. Yes, our video is ready. Let's go ahead and play it. So this is what we have. The quality is decent and usable, but the downside is that it gives only 5 seconds generation, and that's pretty short, if I must say. But then again, Coin AI is 100% unlimited, and you can generate as much video as you want. So right now, Coin AI is truly unlimited. You can just keep making your videos and then join everything together using CapCut. So let's go ahead and generate our second video. So choosing horizontal 16 by 9 for videos. I'll go ahead and click on this plus sign. I'll click on upload attachments because our image is ready already. We are not doing text to video, we have our image. So I'll click on upload attachments, select my image, allow this to load, copy my prompt and paste it here. So this is everything for my prompt. I'll go ahead and click generate. As simple as that. So I'll just wait for this to load. Yes, our video is ready and this is what we have.
Are you tired of high electricity bills? At Solatech Solutions, we provide reliable businesses giving you uninterrupted power while saving
And
costs.
it's not bad at
Contact
all
us
for
today
a
and
free
switch to
tool.
clean energy.
So right now, Coin AI is truly unlimited. You can just keep making videos and then join everything together using CapCut. So this is exactly how to use Coin AI for your text to video and your image to video. And that's everything for our free tools today.
So this is everything for this video. But disclaimer, note that at the point of shooting this video, all these AI tools are completely free. But you know one thing with free AI tools, they might decide to go premium in the future. Just like Grok, we are all enjoying Grok until they decided to go premium. So make use of this tool. Now you can access it freely. So you have come to the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to me if you are not yet subscribed. Like, share, and drop me a really nice comment. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.